I'm ready. What is going on, everybody? Prepare for crypto volatility. Prepare for a lot of fun. All eyes are watching crypto, and I know Terra Luna Classic LUNC Army. How's everybody doing? I know we want to see this price going higher, not going lower, but let's have a conversation. Couldn't be a better time because right now it's when literally it's buying positions, DCA your way down. And there's so many different conversations nowadays, right? About burns, about Coinbase, about price predictions. I've seen some. I think the idea is to know when to attack the market. And days like today, when we have the FOMC happening in a few more hours, when yesterday we got the CPI data, headline inflation going down, core inflation staying the same, probably not a rate hike, which that could be bullish for us, and we're gonna be live. If you wonder why you're posting a video so early, it's because I woke up for the Dark Lions from Crypto.com drop, and I got 3, and I'm very happy. And I'm like, well, right now I'm gonna show you the bubbles, and you're gonna see how other tokens are green and LUNC is red. That shouldn't make anyone concerned because that's the actual opportunity. When I say you buy when it's bloody on the streets, everybody, right? And I'm very excited that people reacting positively to my Coinbase video, LUNC, the previous one, and because I do believe we're gonna get the Bitcoin ETF approved. And yesterday we found that BlackRock met for the 3rd time with the SEC. Therefore, guys, I'm sure that if BlackRock is going to be allowed, Bitcoin ETF, Coinbase at some point, they're going to list us. Once they list us, that is going to be easily a 2x event. I mean, I'm not saying $1, of course. I'm not saying 1 penny to do that. But it's going to help in the long term achieve much higher price appreciation. Let's go ahead and continue, guys. Don't go anywhere. Go ahead and smash the like button, everybody. Consider subscribing to the channel. Turn on those notification bells. Take a look at the links down below. Get up to $5,000 on BigX, Crypto.com as well, Crow. And, let's go ahead and take a look at this because in the last couple of weeks, we've been really nice at the end of November. Right now, it's completely the opposite. In fact, if we go to the day to see, more macro, I think anyone can guess where the direction of LUNC is going to go. I am not here sugarcoating anyone see or saying, we're going to go to 1 cent. And so, wait, I prefer to take it little by little by attaining smaller goals first, because selling much higher prices so early in the project, like, how do you know? And I know, to me is let's be first attaining the first goal, and then the second one, and then the third one. And if we actually pass as many goals as I'm proposing, then of course, considering other higher levels might be on the table. But nobody knows what's going to happen in crypto, and there's so many question marks. So first and foremost, take a look at this. This is the week. Bonk is positive. Cardano is positive. PEP is actually negative, but LUNC right above me is negative, meaning liquidity is coming out of LUNC and it's going somewhere else. And that happens all the time. That's why it's always good to liquidate or sell like people did it for profits. And then later on, right, you change. Now, this is something I saw yesterday and I'm like, pretty exciting news. Congrats to the LUNC ecosystem. Blockchain entered top 15 most used networks are now nodes in 2023. Now nodes, if I'm not mistaken, they dedicated themselves to make validators. So it's good that it's, very, it's working towards the goal and it's helping LUNC continue, go much further. And even Mr. Diamond Hand saying, let's go. And I think overall, the idea is, well, there's going to be a lot of bear market prices, FUDs, and questions. But at the end of the day, we want LUNC to do much better. And I think that much better is going to be exemplified easily by meeting the all-time high. To me, meeting the all-time high is enough to first and foremost bring back attention to the chain, bring back attention to the community. And we are actually doing not bad at all. considering this is not even the altcoin season, considering that paying attention to USTC is very important, and then LUNC will follow. But right now, we clearly see that, okay, people got tired of LUNC, the whales, they're leaving. But as we wait for the next round, if we waited all of this, which was 2023, literally, guys, we started at 3012, tops 3020, and then basically LUNC didn't do anything. All of this was very hard to watch. But with this, I think there's renewed momentum, and there's projects trying to burn, there's projects trying to do something. So I am looking forward to that. What we're going to be seeing today for LUNC, and I want to go to the 4 hours right now. I want to bring my RSI. Let's go ahead and put up our Bollinger Bands and my rectangle range of where I think the price was heading a couple of days ago, where I wanted to see it heading because we do have some levels of consolidation. Right now, it's a prime opportunity for LUNC to rise because we're down in the Bollinger. We're in the middle of the range that I propose, and also the RSI tells me that we are nowhere now overbought. So I think the next step for LUNC is to be oversold. So if we go to the 1 day, we're literally seeing how we are closely getting to the middle, and we are touching exactly where the Bollinger Band is, you see? So this is important data if you want to get specific, because, well, typically LUNC, the way we're looking at this, goes down and comes from the oversold right about here. Like, look. So this was August, and it was selling like crazy. Now, after being overbought once again, the question will remain, are we going to see oversold, which that's going to put LUNC easily, could put LUNC at 4 zeros. Now, 4 zeros LUNC, it's much better entry than 3 zeros LUNC. Does that mean LUNC was this all a bull trap that lasted long? I don't think so. But there's always a chance people want to extra liquidate this project. But as we get more burns and as we end 2023, we can have much better times ahead for us. So be ready, everybody. I think right now it's a token that has potential, that has a strong community. You know, one of the strongest communities I've seen on YouTube as well on Twitter. Even though being a blockchain that was hurt, I think we still want to see ourselves much better in the future. So I'm looking at all the positions. There's definitely big opportunities out there. So have some cash ready. If LUNC becomes oversold, that's going to put us early 301 or actually 4 zeros when the price. That's just the way it is. If we do a reversal, meaning that we don't go under 3015, that's going to be something good. But the markets have to change today. Bitcoin has to do much better. And I'm watching. I'll see you next time, everybody. Thanks for watching. Peace.